TechVibe brings you an immersive experience with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, showcasing its groundbreaking features in real-world scenarios. Picture this, a stylish woman at a bustling cafe, effortlessly unfolding the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, its stunning 8-inch Super Actua Flex display lighting up as she engages in a seamless video call. The screen clarity is unmatched, and the transition between the cover display and the unfolded mode is smooth. She taps on Gemini Live, watching real-time transcriptions appear as she converses, all while wearing the sleek Pixel Buds Pro 2. The buds adapt to the ambient noise, delivering crystal-clear sound. She casually swipes through apps, checks her schedule, and, with a flick of her wrist, folds the device shut, the compact design sliding effortlessly into her pocket. The Pixel Buds Pro 2 continue playing her music without interruption. This is convenience, elegance, and cutting-edge technology wrapped into one device. The connectivity is seamless with 5G ultra-wideband, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring uninterrupted calls, fast browsing, and smooth media streaming. Google's UWB, ultra-wideband, chip enhances spatial awareness, making device tracking and nearby share effortless, while eSIM and dual SIM support give users ultimate flexibility. Moving to an office setting, a sharp-dressed man sits at his modern desk, the city skyline behind him. His Pixel 9 Pro Fold rests in flex mode, perfectly balanced for hands-free use. The screen is split, he's in a virtual meeting while dragging files into a document. The Tensor G4 chip, combined with 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, delivers lightning-fast performance, allowing multiple apps to run simultaneously without lag. Storage options of 256GB and 512GB UFS 4.0 ensure ample space for work and entertainment. The man closes the Pixel 9 Pro Fold with a satisfying click, then effortlessly uses Google Pay on the cover display at a nearby cafe. With a 4,650 mAh battery, 30W wired fast charging, and Qi-certified wireless charging, the phone keeps up with his fast-paced life. The device intelligently optimizes battery usage, extending screen-on time significantly. AI-driven power efficiency ensures it lasts throughout the day, making it the ultimate companion for professionals and tech enthusiasts. At a competitive price of $1,799, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold offers premium foldable technology without compromise, undercutting rival flagship foldables while maintaining Google's ecosystem integration and long-term software support. Capturing memories in high quality is effortless with the triple rear camera system of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. A 48MP main sensor with OIS takes stunning shots in any lighting condition, supported by a 10.5MP ultra-wide lens and a 10.8MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and 20x super residential zoom. Whether snapping wide landscapes or zooming in on distant objects, the camera delivers unmatched clarity and detail. AI enhancements like Super Residential HDR Night Sight and Magic Eraser make post-processing easy, while the new Add Me feature intelligently places people into group photos they missed. The front cameras on both the cover and inner display ensure users can capture selfies or video calls effortlessly, adapting to different angles and lighting conditions. Video recording capabilities include 4K at 60 FPS with advanced AI stabilization, perfect for content creators and professionals needing smooth, cinematic footage. Google's Real Tone technology ensures accurate skin tones across all lighting environments, reinforcing its commitment to inclusive and authentic photography. The device's Pro mode offers manual controls for shutter speed, ISO, and focus, catering to photography enthusiasts who want to fine-tune their shots. On the software front, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold launches with Android 14 and guarantees 7 years of OS and security updates, ensuring long-term support. Google's Gemini AI enhances user experience with features like Live Translate, AI-powered call screening, and adaptive sound, which dynamically adjusts audio settings based on the surroundings. Pixel Studio, an on-device text-to-image AI generator, introduces a new way to create visuals, leveraging Imagen 3 technology. The phone also integrates Circle to Search, allowing users to find information instantly by drawing circles around text or images. AI-powered battery health management prolongs lifespan by learning user habits and optimizing charging cycles. Google Assistant is now more intuitive, providing contextual responses and predictive suggestions based on usage patterns. The foldable display enables new multitasking capabilities, such as drag and drop between apps and enhanced split-screen functionality. Google's privacy dashboard and face unlock with advanced AI recognition ensure top-tier security, making the Pixel 9 Pro Fold one of the safest and smartest foldable devices available. TechVibe delivers in-depth coverage of the latest in mobile innovation, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold stands as a testament to Google's dedication to cutting-edge technology. From its ultra-premium build to its AI-powered software enhancements, this device redefines how users interact with smartphones. Whether it's for productivity, creativity, or entertainment, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and Pixel Buds Pro 2 create an ecosystem designed for modern lifestyles. With its powerful cameras, Tensor G4 processor, and seamless connectivity, it offers everything a high-end foldable should. Google's refined hinge design makes it one of the thinnest and most durable foldables yet, competing directly with the best in the industry. The addition of AI-driven photography, multi-device connectivity, and long-term software support make it an investment in future-proof technology. As Google continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in mobile tech, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold represents not just a smartphone but a statement of innovation. Stay tuned to TechVibe for more insights, reviews, and comparisons on the latest devices shaping the future of technology.